What's up, guys? We're back again today with another great video, and in today's video we're actually going to be figuring out, or we actually called the retrofit source and we know what's going on with the small halos now and why they're not doing switchbacks, and I'm going to show you guys what you need to do to get your warranty on it. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to get the front bumper off. I've actually already got most of it loose, and I'll show you guys what we need to do from there. Alright guys, so we got all our clips undone. You watched me do this in the last video, so let's go ahead. We'll just take the bumper back off. Alright, so now what we need to do, and I'll show you guys, we've got, you know, you have your drivers for your individual, each halo and our demon eyes and all that, and we cleaned it all up last time. So what you got to do is, depending on what problem you're having, let me grab the light right here. So like I said, here's your drivers and all that stuff, but depending on what problem you have, you might have to replace your actual halo rings or the driver, or it could be, you know, your computer, like how we put in last time, the XBT Bluetooth computer that makes you change all your colors and stuff. But for this problem, one switchback's working, the other's not, and actually neither small halo ring will actually change colors. So I talked to them and I told them the whole process that we went through, you know, in that last video, and they said that it's probably the drivers, you know, not talking to the halos properly or giving them the right signal. So what you got to do is you got to cut them loose, and we've actually already cut ours loose. Here is, you know, the outlets that are going to our small halo rings. I went ahead and I cut our ground right here, and I cut the switchbacks right here that you can see. That's the one that actually makes it read the turn signal. And once you get them off, you just got to cut all the ends right here. So we've got, you know, your ground switchback plug, like I just told you, the one plug that goes into the halos, and then the one plug that goes into the computer. So once you get all this cut, then you're going to have to flip them over like how this is with the serial numbers up, take a picture of it, and then they'll actually send you guys some new ones, and that's it. So once we get the new ones in, I'm actually going to go ahead and put some electrical tape on our loose ends right here that we have. But anyway, once they send that back, then I'll show you guys hooking it up, and hopefully it'll fix our problem. And if it don't, then I'll give you guys an update. But hopefully this video will help somebody out there that's having the same issue as me, because, you know, there's a lot of little issues with retrofitting lights and stuff, and there's not a lot of problem solving out there. So hopefully this will help somebody. All right guys, so that was the main thing for today's video that we were trying to get done. It's actually very windy and cold outside today, and it's starting to get really hard for me to work on the car and make you guys weekly videos. But one good thing is we've gone and we're to the last process of seeing if we're going to actually get this house, and we'll be very excited. And going on into that, we'll have a garage, two-bay garage, where we can work on cars. And in that last video you've seen, we had Caleb's 350Z. You'll see that coming up in more videos. We're thinking about maybe wide bodying it, and he's wanting to do a engine swap on it in the future too. And so that's some things that you guys can get excited for coming up on the channel. Also, I want your guys' help and input when we get the new house. Had any good ideas of how you wanted to, you know, decorate the garage, cool backdrop, stuff like that we could do to make our, you know, videos more interesting. You guys know we're probably going to hang the Barina lights up in there, and we'll do a video on that, as we've done in multiple garages before, for our lighting. And then, you know, like Evan Shanks, people like that, their subscribers actually send them flags from either where they were from or different car models and things like that. So if you guys wanted to do some stuff like that, you can look at my Instagram and message me or anything like that, and I can actually give you guys an address to send some stuff. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I know it's kind of short, very short and sweet, but I just wanted to give you guys an update on everything that's going on with our halos. As you guys know, we do have the NVIDIA S-Pipe still back there. That was kind of the first video I wanted to do in our own garage, so that'll be coming up soon. But until then, guys, we'll probably do some more stuff to the Corolla back here. I want to do some LED swaps on the inside and stuff like that, but it'll be cool to do the NVIDIA S-Pipe in our garage, make that the first initial install there. So I really appreciate you guys stopping by today, and please like this video if you liked it. Like I said before, hopefully this will help somebody that's retrofitted their headlights and are having issues. I know a lot of people's been messaging me on Instagram and stuff like that, and I'll FaceTime you guys or do anything I need to do to help you guys figure out stuff with your lights. But like the video, subscribe to the channel, and help us out moving forward, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace out, and remember, build your masterpiece.